Is your child struggling with their AQA GCSE combined science and they've just got their mock grades back and now you're thinking, what are we going to do to get them up to where they need to be for their exam? Well, I'm Christine and I am a biology specialist who also teaches chemistry. I am opening the January to February group tuition sessions and I thought I would give a bit of a flavour as to what I have to offer. So they start in January on the 13th on the Monday evenings at 6:45 to 7:30. On the first one, we'll be looking at some biology. So let's have a look at what sort of thing I will show your child how to succeed with. So we're going to look at the endocrine system. Now, it could be that you're given an exam question, for example, like this, that says, can you explain why the concentration of glucose is different in two veins? So you should know about the hepatic portal artery, the hepatic portal vein, and the hepatic vein. Well, what I'll be doing is giving you the reasons why there may be a difference between the concentration that goes in from the hepatic portal vein to the concentration coming out in the hepatic vein. And I'll do that through using animations, through getting you to answer questions, and I will then check your answers and give feedback and find any misconceptions. So, for example, when you've got a high blood glucose concentration and that's detected by the pancreas, that is then going to respond by secreting the insulin. That will then be transported in your bloodstream and that will go to the target organ. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you those keywords to help you to know which of those answers are expected. Now, once that insulin gets to those target cells, when it binds to receptors, that's going to cause the glucose to move into the cells. Well, that glucose will then be converted into glycogen. So I will be helping you to understand the fact that that blood glucose concentration that was coming from the small intestine was then being decreased because insulin was coming along with it. And the insulin was resulting in the glucose being converted into glycogen. Well, then what they might do is throw another question at you asking about, well, what happened 6 hours later? The numbers have changed. We have gone from it being 9 and 7 to now still 7 in my hepatic vein. However, it is now 5 coming from the hepatic portal vein. So why might they be different when we're looking at 6 hours after the initial time frame? So I'll go through how to answer those types of questions. When it comes to the next set, which will be the chemistry lesson the following week, I'll be looking at, do you know how to use your little cheat sheet? Do you know how that periodic table, that sheet of paper that is given alongside your exam paper is going to be your go-to for how to answer the questions? So do you know, for example, what it means when they are in group 1 and they're alkali metals and they have that single electron in their outer shell? Do you know what it means as you move down the different periods and what happens to the reactivity? Do you know about the halogens in group 7? Do you know what it means when they are coming together as pairs? Why are the halogens always found in molecules which are pairs? So if we're looking, for example, at the chlorine, Cl2, why is it that two of them come together? And do you understand covalent bonding? Do you understand how ionic bonding works? Do you understand the donating and accepting of electrons and what that does to produce an ion? If you are interested, if you think it is something that you would benefit from attending, then please do register now by filling out my form. In order to run the sessions, there is a minimum number of participants required. So I will confirm whether or not that minimum number has been reached by January the 3rd, but the sessions will start the following week. So you can pick and choose which of these sessions you would like to attend, and therefore you can only attend the biology ones or only attend the chemistry ones if that's what's of interest to you. But I'm here to help. I have the knowledge, I have the expertise, and I want to help as many of you as I possibly can. So if you are someone who thinks you would benefit from this, then please do sign up to my sessions. Or if you think your child would benefit, please do sign up. I look forward to helping them excel in their science.